Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact Google form and going straight to Responses. Click the Responses tab and switch to Individual View so you can see each submission. Once done, find the entry with the wrong answer and note the respondent identifier or timestamp to avoid guessing. Make sure the form owner or an editor is signed in. Without editor rights, you can only view. This first step ensures you work with the correct submission before making any edits or exports. Once you have the right response, decide how to change it. If you are the form owner or an editor, open the individual response and use the three-dot menu to select Edit Response and correct the field directly. This updates the original submission. If editing in forms isn't allowed, click the green Sheets icon to export responses, use Filters or Ctrl+F to find the row, then correct the cell. Save changes and note why you edited for auditing later. To finish, submit the edited response in Forms so the correction overwrites the original entry. You'll see an updated timestamp. If you edited in Sheets, changes are saved automatically. Return to the Responses tab to confirm the corrected value appears in Individual View. Make sure to clear cache or refresh if you don't see updates. If problems persist, verify you have editor permissions and that the form isn't locked by add-ons or protected ranges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.